Hello there again. Let's recap. In the last lesson, we spoke about a bit about the unit of measurement. In that, I introduced you to the centimeter and the millimeter, which are the unit of measurements that we find on our ruler and that we can use to measure the lengths or the distances between 2 points on an object. Now, today, what I basically want us to look at, I want us to look at the conversion of units. And we are going to do this using what we call the metric system of measurement. And what the metric system is just a list of units that we are using when we are measuring the size of an object. So don't be surprised when we use this word more often. Now, what is this metric system that we are talking about? All right, so we have got a number of units that we use when we are measuring. For example, we have got the kilometer, we have got hectometer, we have got the decameter, we have got the meter. After the meter, we have got the decimeter. After decimeter, we have got what we call the centimeter, and the centimeter is followed by the millimeter. So these are the units that we are using, and they are all of them. We have got symbols that we use to represent them. For example, the kilometer, we use km to represent kilometer. The hectometer, we use hm. For the decameter, we use dm. For the meter, we use m. For the decimeter, again, we use dm. And then the centimeter, as you have seen in our previous video, it is cm and then followed by mm for millimeters. Now, someone is probably asking themselves, how do I remember all of these units of measurement? What somebody has done for us already, I don't want to take credit for something that I did not come up with, is give us a way of remembering this. And they say, if you can sing in your head the following words, to say King Henry died by drinking chocolate. I know you love chocolate very much. And milk. So let's see. The K in king, it will be kilometer. The H in Henry will mean hectometer. The D in diet will represent our decameter. Then usually this one, because we usually talk about it a lot, we usually just represent it by a bi. So just know that bi stands for M. And then the D it will represent decimeter. The C in chocolate represents centimeter. And the M in milk represent our millimeter there. So King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk will stand for kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. And this is basically what we mean when we say the metric system. It's just a representation of all the unit of measurements that we are talking about. So that is how you can remember the metric system. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use this metric system.